Hello, good day everybody. Today we will see how to make software upgrade on the baseband. Whichever baseband is this, whether baseband 6630, baseband 5216 or 5212, we can upgrade using the same procedure. First of all, we will need to see how much MOs we have. We just run one command lt space all and we can see how much MOs we have. Next command is lpr space upgrade p. This will show us the current upgrade packages, or cvls. This command will also show us the current upgrade packages, and we can see here that we have R80D36 as current upgrade packages. We need to run the SFTP server. For this purpose we are using core FTP server. I will show you the setup. We need to make one domain, as like its name is bb, and its domain IP is 169.254.2.1, which is my PC IP. I click the resolve and port 21 and the IP of this and the address of this folder. Next, I need to make one account. For username and RBS I need to put, and the home directory also. We can see here that this FTP server, all settings. This is the address where I have put my software. This is the place, cbbu folder, and I have put this address in my this SFTP server. This is the folder where I have extracted the software. This is the same upgrade package which is provided for the Scratch integration of the baseband also. Its size is 1.50 GB. Anyways, we will see how it works. We can see here that our current upgrade packages are R80D36 and only one software is already there. We run command acl space swms is equal to 1, and it gives us all the available options which this proxy we can use. Our next command will be acc space 8674, which is the proxy number, and create upgrade package. See how it will work. 8674. I will copy paste to avoid any spelling mistake. It is asking me for the URI. URI is actually one format which contains the IP address, the username, and the location of this software package. See how we will use it. I will first need to start this core SFTP server so that no any error comes later on. SFTP : /RBS is my username, which I put here, this RBS, and @ IP address of my laptop, and this folder which contains all the software package which is required to upgrade. And enter will ask for the password. Password is the password which we set here at this place. This password is the password which is required to be set here. I put it RBS, so I will put again RBS, and now it will start searching my laptop for this main URI file, .xml file, which contains all the records of whatever software is contained in this R13D51. It will also show like baseband connected to my laptop. See here, now this baseband is connected to my laptop and it is downloading the data. It is reading the upgrade package data. Here it is showing also me messages. Now it is 100% complete, and my next command lpr space upgrade package will show me like two packages now. Before it was showing one package, but now it will be showing me two packages. See, R13D51 is the newer one. Now I will try to download this software from my laptop into the baseband. For this purpose we will run command ACL space 8675, and then it will give us some more options, and ACC space 8675, and then prepare. This will download all the software like from my laptop into the baseband. After this we will run the polling command for the upgrade. It is POLU. This is polling. It will show me like all step by step whatever is done by the baseband for this upgrade package. We can see it is still at 0%, but it is doing some actions like preparing upgrade package, and now again baseband is connected to my laptop once again and downloading the software. These are the settings. Must be SSH, SFTP must be enabled, because baseband uses SFTP technology, not FTP technology, so we must need to run any SFTP server. So we can see that sale process is going on. Maybe I will need to pause the video so that total size of the video is less. We can see it is now 6%. I will again make some pause. Baseband is still downloading the software from my laptop. Now it is at 16%. I am fast forwarding, actually I am pausing the video so that the total size of the video is less. Now it is 100% complete, and we can see that it has completed 100%, and preparation is finished. My next command will be LT space all, because MOs are changed, so I need to get the new MO proxy number. ACC space I need to get the new proxy number. 8770 is the new proxy number, and now ACC space 8770 and activate. Yes, and then it is asking for hardware or soft. It will be hardware, because ART80D36 is an old software package and R13D51 is a new software package, so better we should go for hard. Again POLU command to see that if what is the status of upgrade package which is working on my laptop baseband. It will take some time, so I will again make pause of the video, and now we can see that it is at 43%. It is loading the current operating system. It has completed all above like procedures installing and database backup complete and WRAT and like other things, and now it is currently activating and switching over to the new software, so that once like laptop once baseband comes back up, it will be working on the new software package R13D51, not the old R30D36. So we can see now it is approximately completed, just maybe few minutes more. Maybe I need to pause the video once again. Okay, we can see now activation is completed and process is done 100%, and new software is working. Currently it is completed. 50 seconds more and it will be back up. Our like upgrade procedure is finished up to this point. Just we need to see that there are lot of MOs are added. Like LT space all command will give us the added MOs, like total MOs. Before these were 80 something and now it is 10206 MOs, like maybe 2000 MOs are added. And next thing, we need to make one new CV so that all settings are saved. We can see in this window that the softwares which are added new are 13D51. We will make one new CV just for the sake of purpose that if there is any reverting back, anything like bad thing happen, we have this like backup CV. Command is cvms space after software upgrade. It will take maybe 5 seconds and our process will be completed. It is taking normal expected time, but it should take 5 seconds. Now it is completed, so our procedure is also completed for software upgrade. Thanks for watching.